24/7 teachers training. A lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publishers. Subtraction. Respected teacher, Assalamu alaikum. A warm welcome from Snowman publishers. Our books are based on CPA method, concrete, pictorial, and abstract, and students will learn about mathematical concepts by using their cognitive skills. Let us start with the concept of subtraction. Say Assalamu alaikum and good morning to the children. Inform them that they will be learning about subtraction. Learning objectives. Students should be able to subtract two-digit numbers using base 10 blocks. Subtract two-digit numbers using the standard algorithm. Subtraction is a part of our everyday lives and therefore an important concept to develop at preschool level. Children need to understand how to subtract in order to engage with society effectively, as we use subtraction when dealing with money, cooking, travel, and time, and among countless other daily experiences. Inform the students that they will be learning subtraction of two-digit numbers. To move forward, follow these steps. One. Start with the base 10 models. Give the students a place value mat placed inside a plastic sleeve. This allows them to also write or draw using a dry erasing marker, and they can be used over and over again. 2. Here is how this strategy works using the example 59 minus 15 equals to 44. 3. Build or draw out the minuend 59 with base 10 blocks. 4. Take away the amount of the subtrahend 15. 5. Remove 5 blocks and 1 tens block. 6. Count the remaining blocks left and solve for the difference. Play a game following these steps. 1. Students need to line up both numbers vertically under each other. 2. The minuend, larger number, goes on top, and the subtrahend, smaller number, goes on the bottom. 3. They will subtract the ones place first, and then the tens place to solve for the difference. 4. One tip that can be helpful when first learning this strategy is to have the students use a highlighter to highlight the ones place or have them circle the numbers in the ones place first. This helps them visualize where they need to start first. 5. This concept can be more complicated for them than we think because they are trained to read and write from left to right. Ask them to open their textbooks, subtract and write the correct number. Reinforcement worksheet of subtraction can be downloaded from the following website: www.snowmanpublishers.com.